if I'm related to him sometimes.
Non-stop, like solid slap.
It's like, oh, that thing's too out loud. And he's like, what? Hey, did I tell you about
Now you get to hear about my personality.
How do you miss that?
They're all mad, Dad. Look what you did. I can hear them. It's so crazy.
Usually they come back. Here, watch, see. Oh, we're not gonna.
You should get that. I'm catching up to you at this rate, Holly. What?
Fish.
What time?
Small.
It's a bass.
It's a small fish, is what it is.
It's a bass. Look at that bass.
Look at that musky. I caught a musky.
That's a big bass.
That's a musky.
It's a very thin, noodle-like bass.
Come on off, buddy. I caught a musky.
Can I catch a musky?
For the record, that would not be $50 for you guys, because it's about, don't! Come on,
I don't
don't.
want to actually.
I gotta get down there and try to unhook this little thing.
Little in between the eyes. This new loading of the bottom upside down. And
It's
spiraling.
fine.
Oh no.
It is actually spiraling.
Oh man, he's really going. Oh, he's not having a good time.
Hold my rod. He's alive. Of course he's alive.
Did you not see it stick out and stuff?
Colin, why are you pulling against me? Are you remotely paying attention?
Sorry, Dad.
What are you gonna name it?
The 20-inch muskie? You're so cute.
His head is.
He's
Hi, Noodle.
super little.
I was sitting there waiting for you guys to finish up with the musky. I'm at 70.
Cool.
Dad, Connor's a
I'm shaking.
fish.
I have a fish.
What? Just wait.
He came back.
It's a musky.
You sure about that? So for the record, mine counts. Yours may be twice as big as mine, but mine counts, yours doesn't.
Look at him go.
So,
he's ready.
did you know you had a fish the whole time, or what were you doing there?
I said fish.
You just ignored him. And
I didn't hear it, look out. What do you want me to do with that thing?
Take it off. Get rid of it.
Fall off.
I
No,
don't
let it
want
go. See if you keep it down. It's a nice northern, huh?
I like his freckles.
It'll be fine. And if it's not, an eagle will eat it.
Yes. A very happy eagle. All thanks to Colin. Brave.
Oh yeah.
Shit, Colin. yanking it up in the air yanked its gills up, Colin.
I don't know about that, Mari.
Well, it's the underside thing. Poor baby.
Buy eagle food.
Yeah, you're probably eagle food, buddy. It's a nice northern, no? Huh? 25.
The company that owns the site, it sells for 5 different other sites as well. One's the normal like liquidation or whatever. And the other one's liquidation for the government. So only the government can buy crap from it. And then you just have some other like off-brand sites that are like the government deals and crap.
Fish coming, Colin. Keep coming. Keep coming. Make a good turn at the boat. Set yourself up at the boat.
I got it. Pretty big.
It's a little one, Colin. It's a cool jump, though. It's another cool jump. Trying to.
Yes! Force musky! Keep on!
My fish this morning was bigger than this, but still cool.
Still cool. It did like 4 flips, and I'm surprised I didn't lose it.
Oh, come on. You appear to be out.
I mean, the first 2 hooks are out. The last one seems slightly hasn't.
Slightly hasn't.
I'm amazed I caught it. I thought that was going to fall off on the second jump. I just need to get that out somehow.
It's all good. You got that? Here, let's just set the net so it falls down. That's good. You can take that out. Let's grab your fish. Get this done.
It's not super big when you look at it, but it's just so skinny, which makes it look bigger. If that makes sense.
I don't know. It's one of your little 31 inchers or something.
He really just wants to be free. He doesn't care about it. Thinks he can fit through the tiny little swimming pool.
He's trying real hard to get through there, ain't it? I don't know, Colin. Oh.
31 and a half.
You made it. 31 and a half. You there?
Oh god, Jimmy wants to be free. Why do I want to push Jimmy? Why does it have to be so free and then it just sits there for a little bit? Well, we have a wet net, and I caught a fish.
We have a what now? Hit review on the camera, see how it looks.